Now, let us assume certain things. Since it's a assume mean method, let us assume certain things. Now, say for example, let us understand, you assume you're dreaming. Now, right now, waiting for your SSC to start, you have already dreamed, or your parents have dreamed, your relatives have dreamed, your watchman, somebody might have dreamed some percentage for you. Say हम लोग बड़ा बड़ा सपना देख रहे, sir, I assume my assumed result is 90%. ये assumption लेके हम लोग जी रहे, लेकिन बेटा एक ना एक दिन सच्चाई सामने आने वाला है, एक ना एक दिन रिजल्ट आने वाला है. Now I'm assuming you are a student who kept his target to be 90, forgot about the target, worked really hard, gave every test in class and exam sincerely, followed every instructions, attended every lecture with all right planning and guidance. You went to the board exam, and finally the result came to be 95%. Now I want you to focus on one thing here. The assumed result was 90%. The actual result was 95%. You assumed the result to be 90%, and the actual result is 95%. Can you tell me what is the difference in the result? Can you tell me what is the difference in the result? Anybody who can tell me what is the difference in the result? Definitely the difference in the result is 5%. Perfect. It is 5%. So I can say the difference is 5%. Now students, focus. The actual result is 95. The assumed result is 90. And the difference is 5. So can I say I got 95, the actual result, by adding the assumed result and the difference? Sometimes the difference can be negative if it goes low. So I can say that the actual result is assumed result plus the difference. 90 मेरा assumption था, 5 मेरा difference था, 90 plus 5 gave me 95. Now students, this is what will happen in assumed mean. We will assume a value to be mean. हमको mean मालूम नहीं है क्या है, हम लोग एक value को assume कर लेंगे. Definitely our assumption most of the times will not be accurate, so there will be a difference. तो मुझे actual mean मिलेगा कैसा? Assumed mean plus difference. खाली वो result के जगह पे mean डाल दो. मैंने एक value को mean assume किया, difference होगा, दोनों को add करूंगा तो actual mean मिलेगा. Now what you need to understand here students is, in this chapter the difference will be called as deviation. The difference will be called as deviation and denoted by D. Denoted by D. So instead of actual mean being assumed mean plus difference, it will be plus deviation. Now this is the concept behind the method. How to do this, how to assume, how to find out, we will do that. Now students, you have to remember this following things. These are the steps we follow. First, we assume a value. How to assume scientifically so that we get easier way to get the answer, I will let you know. We'll assume a mean. We'll find out the difference using the formula. This is the average deviation. Summation fi di upon summation fi. Then we find out mean by using the formula a plus d bar. That is actual mean is equal to a, that is assumed mean, plus d bar, that is the difference. I want everybody to make a note of this slide. First, we will assume the mean. Then we will find out deviation. And how do we get the deviation? D bar, by using the formula summation fi di upon summation fi. Then we find out the actual mean. Once we get the difference, how do we find the actual means? X bar is equal to a plus d bar. I give you 5 more seconds to write down the formula. I give you 5 more seconds. Okay, I believe everybody has finished writing. Type yes if you have finished writing, please. Yes. Great. Now we will go to another sum. And we go to a sum. Perfect. Now students, before we go to a sum, I want everybody to have their notebook, everybody to have their pen, if possible pencil and scale with you. Great. Now you are going to do with me, first of all, what is required is a table. Now this table is going to have an additional column. Now first let me read the question for you. In the following table, the total toll paid by drivers and the number of vehicles is shown. Find the mean of toll paid by assumed mean method. Now let me tell you one thing. In every new method that we study about mean, one column is going to increase. In the previous method, direct method, we had 4 columns. Now we'll have 5 columns. So quickly everybody, draw 5 columns in your notebook, and the headings of the column should be this. First, write class interval, as always, it is given to us, and write frequency, which is given to us. As I told you, always the class interval and frequency will be given to us. Everybody, I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Please start drawing the table and filling these columns. Leave the columns that is empty as empty. I'll tell you what to do. See, when the method's name is not mentioned, you can use any method. I'm giving you a minute's time. Everybody, please start drawing the columns, and I will tell you what to do. Draw whatever is there in the screen. Don't write the question, only the solution. I want you to draw the class interval column. The next 2 columns, keep it blank. Don't leave much space. It is going to be numbers. Then the frequency, which is given to us in the question, and the last column, I'll tell you what to do. No, indirectly it won't be given. It will be given to us directly only which method to use. We can discuss those questions later on. I want you to write down this first, because I want you to do it with me. Only then the understanding becomes easier. And write when I ask you to write. I hope everybody is done. Say done if you are done. Done, everybody. Done. No. Mihir says no. Done. No. Chirag, quick. Done. Great. Okay. I believe everybody is done. Now, students, the next column should be class mark. Anybody who can tell me the formula of class mark? Tell me, yes, I can. Right? Yes, I can. What is the formula of class mark? Preet Parmar. So I am going to unmute Preet Parmar. Preet, you can hear me?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you can hear me?
Sir, I'm Preet Devasri, apparently.
Okay, so I'm so sorry.
But sir, I know the formula.
Okay, now you tell me. Okay, no problem. You tell me the formula. Sorry, Preet from Parmar. Yes, Preet, tell me.
Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2.
And class mark is denoted by?
Xi. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Preet Parmar. Preet. Yeah. Okay. Exactly what Preet told us. We were intending for another Preet. The formula for class mark is lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, and class mark is denoted by Xi. Now listen, students, we are revising this. If you have done your homework, you know. Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, that is 300 plus 400 upon 2. That is 700 upon 2. That is 3,500. 350. I'm sorry, it is 350. So lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, 300 plus 400 upon 2, 700 upon 2, that is 350. Now students, I want you to pay attention. Don't start writing anything. Wait, a very, very important concept for this type of sums. We need to understand what is a class width. Now just pay attention as discussed. Anybody who can tell me class width? Yes, exactly. Can anybody tell me? Shreyas from JB Nagar has told class width is 100. Perfect. He was the first one to answer. Now students who do not know how to find out class width, now this is very important in this chapter, class width. Now the difference between these two numbers, you can see an arrow that is pointing out. The difference between these two numbers is always the class width, always the positive number. Perfect, perfect, Soham from Vikroli. 400 minus 300, that is 100. Now students, to find out class mark ahead, you don't have to use the formula. Just keep on adding 100. What would be the next one? 450. What would be the next one? Plus 100, 550. What would be the next one? Plus 100, 650. What would be the next one? Plus 100, 750. Now student, is it going to be plus 100 always? No. It depends on the class mark. Now students, now this is new. The next column, which we have not studied in the previous lecture. So pay careful attention, very, very, very carefully. The next column is DI, that is deviation. And that is given by the formula xi minus a. The formula for DI is xi minus a. Now students, you have to remember the formula so that I can write it in the table. I am going to teach you to find out DI even without using the formula. But you will have marks for writing the formula in the table. Now, to find out DI, first we will now go to the name of the method. The name of the method is assumed mean method. That means I have to assume a value. अभी assumed value मतलब कुछ भी value assume कर सकते हैं. You will always get the right answer. Now, if you want to assume a value, now listen. The assumed A, the value of A, the assumed mean, should always be from your class mark only. A can be 350, A can be 450, A can be 550, A can be 650, A can be 750. ये सारे values जो class mark है, इसमें से कुछ भी A हो सकता है. But if you want to make your calculation simpler, always assume the middlemost one. That is 550. Now here the middlemost one was 550 from your class mark. That is why we assumed 550 to be your A. अभी एक क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आता है, सर इवन नंबर हुआ तो यहां पे तो 7 नंबर है, तो ऑड है तो बीच में एग्जैक्टली आ गया. अगर बीच में 2 हुआ तो ट्रस्ट मी, अगर 350 भी एज्यूम किया ना ये सम में, ये वैल्यू 1, तो भी आंसर अलग नहीं आएगा. फाइनल आंसर विल बी सेम whatever you assume. But if you want to make your life easy with your calculations, assume A, the middlemost value from the class mark column. Now look at the formula. The formula for DI says, ये column में, the third column में देखो सब लोग, DI is equal to xi minus A. तो मैं लिख सकता हूं वहां पे xi minus A मैंने क्या assume किया? 550. Now students, सबका A अलग हो सकता है, सबका A अलग हो सकता है, लेकिन फाइनल आंसर सेम आएगा. आई विल टेल यू हाउ. नाउ DI लिखने का, to write DI, I'm going to give you a beautiful technique. Don't forget the formula. Right, formula लिख दो और उसको भूल जाओ. अभी DI लिखने का एकदम इजी टेक्निक दे रहा हूं. 550, ये जो A दिख रहा है, A के सामने 0 लिखने का. A के सामने क्या लिखने का? 0. ऑलवेज, हमेशा DI के कॉलम में A के सामने 0 लिखने का. नाउ केयरफुली सी H इज 100. हर सम में H अलग होगा. यहां पे H 100 है, तो 100 का टेबल इधर लिखो. 100 1s are 100, 0 के नीचे. 100 2s are 200. और होता तो 100 3s are 300. 100 4s are 400. तो 0 के नीचे 100 का टेबल पॉजिटिव, 0 के ऊपर 100 का टेबल नेगेटिव, -100 -200. If there are two values in between, assume any value. See, you can also have a situation कि ऊपर -100 -200 -300 है और नीचे सिर्फ 100 200 है. If there are two values, assume any. Is this part very clear? How to write DI? Write yes if it is clear. I am repeating again. Assume the middlemost value as A. A के सामने लिखो 0. H का टेबल नेगेटिव, H का टेबल पॉजिटिव. Great. I want everybody to write down the DI column. Everybody has written the DI column. Fill the DI column. जैसा मैंने लिखा वैसा लिखो. पहले A के सामने 0 लिखो. फिर H के टेबल में H का टेबल पॉजिटिव लिखो 100, 200, 0 के नीचे. And above 0 write -100, -200. Okay, once again for Ayush. A के सामने 0. A will be the middle most one. मिडल में 2 आया तो किसी को भी ले लो. A के सामने 0. H का टेबल ऊपर नेगेटिव. H 100 है तो -100, -200. H का टेबल पॉजिटिव 0 के नीचे 100, 200. तो 1 के सामने 0, 0 के ऊपर ऑलवेज नेगेटिव H का टेबल, 0 के ऊपर नीचे ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, ऊपर हमेशा नेगेटिव. Okay, below 0 it will always be positive. Above 0 can always be negative. Can we repeat for even number? अगर even number आया, assume any value as A. ऊपर नीचे कम ज्यादा value आएगा, that is okay. Now the next column is FIDI. Now if anybody wants me to repeat it, you can always watch the video again. FIDI. Now FIDI matlab the multiplication of these two columns. I'm going to give you a minute to find out FIDI. Everybody start multiplying, and the one who is done, tell me, write multiplication done. Write multiplication done of all the class intervals, and I will put you on unmute. Multiplication done. Preet from DN Nagar. Preet.
Hello, yes, sir.
You are done with your multiplication according to your
Yes,
text.
yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the value for the first one.
-16,000.
-16,000.
Yes,
Next
sir. -11,000.
-11,000. Next one.
120.
Is it 120?
Yes, sir.
Check again. 120 into 0.
Oh, sorry. 0.
अच्छा तो उधर ब्रैकेट में सॉरी लिख दो, एग्जामिनर शायद मार्क्स दे दे.
अरे नहीं सर.
Careful. Statistics is all about presence of mind.
Oh, yes, sir.
120 into 0, 0. Next one.
7,000.
7,000. Next one.
8,000.
Next one is 8,000. This is perfect. So huge round of applause.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Preet. I will put you on mute again. Okay. For all those who did not understand how did we get this, FIDI is FI into DI. तो ये दोनों 80 into -200, 110 into -100, 120 into 0, 0, 70 into 100, 7,000, 40 into 200, 8,000. Now, I hope everybody has understood till now. Everybody understood till now? Say yes, so that I can go ahead. 70 into 100 is 7,000. How it will be 700? It is 7,000. Great. Now, students, what I want you to understand is now total. Here, since the formula is D bar is summation FIDI upon summation FI, we need the total of FI and we need the total of FIDI. So add the FI column quickly. Who will add the FI column first? Preet has answered. Preet, I have given you too many chances. Uddhav from Ghatkopar says 420. So the total is 420. Most of us are. Now, FIDI. Now you have to be careful while adding FIDI. So students, just pay attention. All those who have done, great. All those who have not done, pay attention. FIDI mein, you have negative numbers and you have positive numbers. You have negative numbers and you have positive numbers. So first I will add the negative numbers. 16,000 plus 11,000. दोनों को add किया तो answer आएगा 27,000. Now since both are negative, I'll put minus 27,000. Then add the positive numbers. 7,000 plus 8,000. दोनों को add किया तो answer आएगा 15,000. So once again pay attention. पहले सारे नेगेटिव नंबर्स को ऐड करो, फिर सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स को ऐड करो, एंड देन टेक द डिफरेंस ऑफ द बोथ. अभी 27,000 माइनस 15,000 कर दो, द आंसर इज 12,000. Now, since the negative number is greater, we will put minus 12,000. 27,000 बढ़ा है ना 15,000 से, और उसका साइन माइनस है, तो उसका साइन इसको जाएगा. So minus 12,000. I hope the table is very clear. See, students, once the table is done, it becomes very easy to calculate further. Now, students, I will take it ahead. Next step is to find out D bar. The formula for D bar is summation FIDI upon summation FI. Summation FIDI, you have it here. If you see, minus 12,000 upon FI, that is 420. Now 0 gets cancelled. Do your division and tell, and I will tell you the answer. After division, cancel karo 2 se, and then finally divide it. You will get the answer as minus 28.571 and so on. What I suggest is, after decimal 3 digit लो, don't even round off. 3 digit ले लो, चौथे का बारे में bother भी मत करो. 3 digit ले लो, we will round off to 2 digits at the end. Always take 3 digits, forget the fourth one. Fourth वाले को तो ढूंढो भी मत. तो 28.571 मिल गया, लिख दो. I got D bar here. The formula for X bar is A plus D bar. Now what is A? Right at the beginning of the sum, we took it as 550. So 550 plus 28.71, minus 28.571. I have written it reverse. You can always write it as 550 plus minus 28.571. So we have to take the difference of both. 550 minus 28.571 karenge. If you subtract them, the answer will be 521.429. Now, if you see, the third digit is greater than 5. 429. 9 5 से ज्यादा है, तो ये 42 को 43 करना पड़ेगा. This is what we studied in standard 5th. So 521.43, and the final answer with a statement, the mean of toll is rupees 521.43. Now, students, here you can also write 550 plus minus 28.571 and then subtract. I hope everybody got the sum. I hope everybody got the sum. Is the sum clear? Great. Great. The sum is clear. Now, students, I am going to the next sum. A similar sum. We will do it together. I am reading the sum for you first. Now, here I will explain less and you will write more. A frequency distribution table for production of oranges of some farm owners is given below. Find the mean production of oranges by assume mean method. So we have to talk about oranges now. So students, start with the table. I want everybody to draw the table. I'll give you a minute's time and find out class mark and H. Anybody who does that, I'm going to put him. Anybody who does that first, I'm going to put him on unmute. Please, everybody, quick, charge yourself up. I have drawn the table for you. Start drawing the table first. Preet Parmar. I don't know why the competition is from between Preet. So I am putting Preet Parmar, and after this, I'm not going to have any Preet on unmute. Preet. Okay. Preet, we will wait for a minute so that I allow others to try and solve, and then you will tell me the answer.
Sure, sir.
Okay. And if your answer is right, you have to collect a gift hamper. After this lecture, you have to go to Auric sir's house and collect. You have to put your health at jeopardy because it is.
Yeah, sure.
We'll go.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Preet, tell me the class mark. How do I find the class mark of the first class? You have to tell me how to find out.
Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2.
Upper limit. What is the upper limit and lower limit? I don't know. I am unpaired. You tell me.
30 plus 25 divided by 2.
Exactly. 25 plus 30 upon 2.
Yes.
What is that?
27.5, sir.
Everybody, 25 plus 30, 55 upon 2. That is going to be 27.5. Preet, can you tell me the next one?
Yes, sir.
How do I find the next one?
The answer we have, the class width is 5.
How do I get 5? I don't know how do I get 5. Please tell me.
So the formula is upper limit minus lower limit.
So basically 30 minus 25. Everybody, you can see the arrows moving. 30 minus 25 करो, that will be the class width. प्रीत, इसके बाद क्या करूं? 5 ऐड करते जाओ.
हाँ सर, 27.5 में 5 ऐड करो.
कितना आएगा?
32.5.
फिर क्या करूं?
उसके बाद सर उसमें 5 ऐड करो, 37.5 आएगा.
Go slow, perfect. फिर क्या करूं?
उसके बाद 5 ऐड करो, 42.5 सर.
क्या बात है? फिर क्या करूं?
उसके बाद सर 5 ऐड करो, 47.5 आएगा.
क्या बात है? Huge round of applause for
Thank you
Preet.
sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you so much, Preet. This is a forum where I can put you on mute. I love taking live lectures because easiest way to keep students mute. So I hope everybody has done. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Which should be A? Which should be A? Tell me. Which should be A? Which would be the appropriate A? 37.5. Exactly. 37.5 should be A. Actually, A कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन A will be the best one. Now, I hope everybody is writing with me. DI is equal to XI minus A लिख लो. XI minus A मतलब XI minus 37.5 हो जाएगा. Now, great. How do I write DI? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Chahat from Ghatkopar. Chahat will tell us. I hope he has the answer. Chahat or Chahat, what is it? I'm really sorry.
Chahat.
I'm really sorry. Chahat, you have to also explain me how to do that, okay?
Yes. So as we
Our A is 37.5. What do I do first?
so first we have to write 0 in front of it.
Okay, as Chahat tells us to put 0. Now I will follow Chahat. So A in front of A, as Chahat tells me, I am putting 0. Okay, Chahat, next.
Then as the class width is 5, so below the 0 we have to write 5 stable, but in
Class
positive
width is-
integers.
Wait. इतना सारा English एक साथ बोल दिया मैं. Let me consume. Acha, Chahat says class width is 5. So everybody, how did we get the class width? 30 minus 25. तो 5 मिला यहाँ से. तो
Yes.
चाहत बोल रही है 5 का टेबल लिखो. If you don't know 5 table, God bless you. तो according to चाहत, 5 1s are 5, 0 के नीचे positive, 5 1s are 5. चाहत after that,
5 2s are 10.
5 2s are 10. अच्छा, अभी 0 के ऊपर क्या करूं चाहत?
We have to write the same table but with negative integers.
क्या बात है? तो चाहत says same table with negative. नहीं समझा चाहत क्या है?
Minus 5, minus 5
5 into 1 is 5, so minus 5.
and minus 10.
And minus 10. Fantastic, Chahat. Excellent. Huge round of applause for you. Thank you so much. I'm going to put you on mute.
Yes.
Okay, Chahat. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, the next column is FIDI. Next column is FIDI. Who is going to give me the answers quickly? I'm waiting for a minute. Yes, Nalaude, I could have allowed you, but you have not written your branch name, so I'm not going to allow you. Preet, I told you no more Preet. Saidham Akriti. We will wait for some time so that everybody multiplies. Akriti. Akriti, you can hear me?
Yes sir.
Just we will wait for a minute so that everybody multiplies. FI into DI. Everybody, you have to multiply the FI column. You have to multiply the DI column. And you multiply and you write the answer in FIDI. FI into DI. So Akriti, you have to tell me
Yes,
how
sir.
you got the answer also. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Akriti, you can start.
We have to multiply minus 10 into 20.
So Akriti says minus 10 into 20. What will that be, Akriti?
Minus 200.
Minus 200. Fantastic. The next one.
Then minus 5 into 25.
Minus
That will
5 into 25. What will that be?
Minus 125.
Minus 125. The next one.
And 0 into 15, that will be 0.
0 into 15, that is 0. Breathe. I hope you are hearing to Akriti. Next.
Then 5 into 10, that will be 50.
5 into 10, that is 50. Then
Then 10 into 10, that will be 100.
10 into 10, that will be 100. Thank you so much, Akriti.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the answers were correct. Huge round of applause for you. I have managed some applause for everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, now students, total of FI, total, add the FI column. Who is going to give me the total of FI? Total done. Om Khas. Om Khas is going to tell us the total. Yes, Om. You can
Yes,
hear
sir.
me, Om. Please
Yes,
tell me the total.
Sir, total FIXI is 80.
FIXI, where did that come? I didn't have FIXI. नहीं है.
Frequency of number.
हाँ तो FIO सिर्फ. What is not
Sir,
FI.
submission FI. Sorry.
What is that?
80.
So according to Om Khas, the summation FI is 80. Okay, perfect. Om, have you done FIDI as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope everybody has calculated the total. We'll wait for a minute, Om. I'll keep you unmute. We'll
Yes,
wait
sir.
everybody to total up the FIDI. So everybody, पहले सारे नेगेटिव नंबर को ऐड करो, फिर सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर को ऐड करो, फिर दोनों का डिफरेंस लो और साइन जो
क्या?
करे उसका दो.
चार्ज नहीं है और इसमें नहीं लगेगी कोई.
एक just a second, Omkas. I'll mute everybody because somebody is unmute and somebody's phone doesn't have the charge. Okay, Om. Tell me the addition of the negative numbers.
Minus 175.
Minus 175. Perfect. Minus 175 of the negative numbers. No, I
sir.
want the total of negative
Sir,
numbers.
Sir, total of negative is 325 minus.
Minus 325. So if you add 200 plus 125, it is going to be 325 and both are minus, so minus. Total of positive.
150.
150. Perfect. दोनों का difference.
Minus 175.
Minus 175. Why minus? Because negative number is greater. Thank you so much, Omkas. I'm going to give you a huge round of applause.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. So students, anybody, all those who know the answers, please start solving it. For those who don't know how to calculate, I'm going to help you out. So first, we will use the formula of D bar. Summation FIDI upon summation FI. That would be minus 175 upon 80. Calculate. Divide by your own ways, but cancel by 5 and divide. It will be minus 2.187 and so on also. As I told you, तीसरा decimal ढूंढो और रुक जाओ. X bar का formula है A plus D bar. Now you can write A or D bar. कोई भी पहला लिखो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. 3 plus 2 भी 5 है, 2 plus 3 भी 5 है. So I will write minus 2.8187 plus A, that is 37.5. तुम लोग 37.5 minus 2.87 भी लिख सकता है. The difference will be 35.313. अभी पॉइंट के बाद वो तीसरा नंबर है ना, ये 3, ये 5 से छोटा है, तो 5 से छोटा होगा तो इसमें कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं आता है, तो it will be 35.31. And then the final answer 30, since it is in thousands, we'll multiply 1000. 35.31 1000 लिखो या फिर 35310 because I multiplied 1000. Now students, I am done with the sum. There are